Today's writing lesson is Unit 6, Lesson 1. I can revisit books around cultures, geography, governments, and/or economic systems and share what they make me feel. So in reading, you've already been reading about the cultures, the geography, the governments, and the economic systems of the United States, Mexico, and Canada. So today, some of them you're going to revisit, meaning you're going to reread them, and they may be articles. And then also, you're going to be filling out a graphic organizer, which I will be checking on. So nobody's going to get away with not doing their job. So on Schoology, which you should have already signed into, you're going to go to the right-hand side, and it says in ELA, revisiting books for developing essays. So we're going to click on that and open our document. So you're going to put your name up at the top, along with the date, which is March 5th. And those books or those articles, you're going to write the title and author where my green cursor is. Then you're going to give me a short recount. You're going to tell me the central message from the fiction and narrative nonfiction, or you're going to tell me the main idea of the non-narrative informational text about those ideas tied to cultures, geography, governments, and/or economic systems. This is what we were doing with the main ideas based on the informational text. This is the main ideas that I was pulling you guys to the U table to tell me from your text and reading the other day. So this is not new. So in this area, you're telling me the central message, if it's from fiction or narrative nonfiction, or you're going to tell me the main idea about cultures, geography, government, economic systems. Then on the right, what was your reaction as you read that text? Okay, so those feelings that we felt. So this screen's going to be on the smartboard. So you're going to be jotting those central messages of fiction and narrative nonfiction. Those would be the narrative, and the fiction would be more in those bins in the back. Then you're going to do the main ideas of those informational texts, which some may be in the back of the room, but also on Schoology in the Unit 6 folder. And then you're going to jot your reaction, those thoughts and how you felt as you were reading about the government, the economic systems, the culture, etc. I'm going to be checking your graphic organizer, so I'm expecting you to be busy the whole 40 minutes. Make me proud.